Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to become a caregiver on care.com. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing is to create an account. In order to do that, head over and open up your browser, and then on the search bar type in care.com, and once the page loads, what you need to do is click on join now or tap on login on the top right corner of the screen, and then you'll be prompted to create an account. All you gotta do is just simply create an account, and then once you have created an account, provide your email address, name and location, then create a password, and once that's done, agree to the terms and conditions and click sign up. Now once that's done, what you need to do is complete your profile by adding a professional photo, write a detailed bio explaining your experience, list the services you offer, set your hourly rate, and mention your availability and preferred work hours. Then get a background check, and all you gotta do now is just simply scroll down, then select your preferred sector, and then all you gotta do is tap on find a job, and then here submit applications with a personalized message to stand out, respond promptly to messages for potential clients. These are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.